everyone. So this is a continuation of the other video. So after you install it, you have the icon on your desktop here. But before we open our icon, we create a folder. This folder is where all our files are going to be kept. So you give it the name, any name of your choice. The naming doesn't matter how you name it. You give it any name. So we are fitting the simple framework. This is the simplest framework of HTML. The simplest syntax. You can see these things are highlighted. Don't worry about them. Just pause the video, copy the code, have the feel of the code. We explain all these things in our later sections. So after you are done like this, before you can run any of this code, you have to save it. So we come to our file menu and our save. So the bottom down there you can see the status, but they're saying it's saved. So after you save it, you minimize your code, come to where you've saved the file you created, and the folder you created early, the file is inside. You open. So when you open, you observe something. The file changes with an icon. This is an icon of the browser, the default browser of your machine. The default browser of my machine is Edge. So you can see the icon is there, which means our file is saved correctly, and the browser have identified that it's an HTML file. So we double click to open. So when we open our file, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Now for our first web page, the one we have just created. So when you look at my right side of the screen, you see the web page, my first web page, and it displays here. So this is just the simplest framework of HTML. Don't worry about how this works. We'll explain everything, all the tags and everything for you later. We'll be able to do more complex and interesting stuff with this. So just download it, have a feel of this, and let's see what we can do in the next lesson. So take your time, download the software, practice this, and let's see what we can do next time. So see you next time.